In this video I'll show you how you can make the double overhand knot. This is very similar to the granny knot, the overhand knot, but with a twist, actually one extra twist. It's really the overhand knot with one extra loop through the middle of the knot. It becomes like this. It's a stopper knot. It's a very good stopper knot. It might be difficult to untie, but usually you don't really need to untie this. You might want to just cut it later. It's used in sewing, also in a lot of situations when you have medical procedures. They might use this knot also for sewing, actually, also. And yeah, the double overhand knot, it's really the shape is really well for a stopper knot. It's very well shaped for a stopper knot. And I will show you now different sizes of the rope. I have a few different sizes and colors, so you can easily see how to make this knot. So you have the overhand knot, you make the loop, and yeah, that's when it looks ready. So you have one loop that's in front of you, bring it once through the loop, a second time, then pull. That's your double overhand knot right there. Nice stopper knot. It works on any rope size that is manageable. I mean, here I show you up to 12mm rope. This is 8mm here. So yeah, this 12mm still works pretty well. Let me know in the comment section below if you use this knot, and if you use it for sewing, or if you use it for fishing, for a floater stopper, or what you use it for. If you have anything to say, any comment, any request, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if there is any type of knot that you would like to know how to tie, also write in the comment section below. And if you like to see more of these videos, subscribe below to see more. Let me know if you think this is okay, or if you don't like this type of videos. Anything that can be useful, let us know. Yeah, like and subscribe and share.